What I eat in a day?
Chicken breast linguine
with garlic bread,
Spaghetti on bread.
apple tea, pistachio chocolate, scrambled egg burger, bacon and cheese Danish, coffee cream cup, mango pudding cup, Subway cookies, custard pineapple bun, cream puff, egg pudding bread, digestive cream biscuits, meat floss bread.